Okay, good morning, Dipti. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pushparaj. So, today we'll be taking up the next part of the notice writing. Good morning, Prakhar. You must have seen the video that I had given about notice writing.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sakshi. Yes. Uh, did you go through the video? The last time we had discussed about the notice writing, which is usually the academic notice writing. Did you see that? How many of you had gone through that? I had given you the homework. Dipti had sent it. I've corrected it, Dipti. There are some mistakes as it is in the PDF form. I've just given you the uh, points where you have to correct yourself. Okay. So keep in mind. See, whenever you write the notice, it should be in a box. And the important thing is what, where, when, and how. Okay. We had discussed this in the notice. These four things have to be mentioned anyhow. Okay, what is the event? Okay, when is the date and time? Where is the venue? And how is the information, other informations that are needed to complete the notice? A notice should always be brief. uh, Dipti had seen that there are some sentences which were not needed in notice writing, right? So they can be avoided. So avoid the sentences which are not necessarily needed. Okay. So write only the important things. Write only the important information, but that information should be complete. Okay. So complete information should be provided in the notice, and at the top notice is written the name of the issuing body, then heading, and on the left side it is date. Below it is the name of the person who is issuing and his designation, right? So above the content and below the content, that is important, and you have to put it in a box. That is notice. Okay. So uh, first we had done the academic notices that you are giving in the schools. Now we'll see the second part. Okay. The second part. Yes. Okay. The general notices or the public notices, right? First we had done the notice that is given by the school or the college. Okay. The second is the general notice. Who will read it? Who's going to read it? Aditya is there. Pushparaj is there. Right?
Ma'am.
Yes. Who's going to read? Girls? Ayush Gautam, Dipti, Harsh Kumar, Prakhar, Ritika, Pushparaj, Sakshi, Shruti. All of you are there. Come on. As usual, I think Aditya is going to read. Aditya? Okay, read it. The first, yeah, the first
General
general notices. Okay, yes, start.
Public or general notices are announcements or news or information addressed to a large section of people or to the general public. The notices are either published in newspapers, magazines, or displayed on public notice boards at prominent places in the colony or city.
Okay,
Main features.
okay, we'll take up that. General or public notice, what actually does it mean? What can you guess from that? First, we had seen about the school or the college, the institutions, right? The second is general, whether it is given in the newspaper or if you live in a society, in a colony, the notice board of the colony or the societies have a display board, right? The notice board, it is there. And there the notice is put up. If suppose you're not going to have electricity for 6 hours, that can be put on the notice board because you cannot inform the complete colony or you cannot inform the whole society. So what happens? You put the notice on the notice board and people go through that. Okay, suppose there is going to be a celebration of Republic Day in the society. So how will the people come to know? They will come to know through the notice board. So these kinds of notices, they are called general notice or public notices. Okay. Yes. What is the main feature? Use the notice format. That I have explained it earlier also. So can any one of you tell me what is the format? I have just told at the beginning of the class. Can you tell me how the notice is written? What is the format of notice writing? Ritika? Sakshi? Can't you hear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then read it. Read it. The main features. Here it is. Main features.
Use the notice format.
Yes. What is the format?
A box.
Very
Name of
good.
the society.
Name of the issuing authority. Okay.
Yes,
Name of
ma'am.
the issuing authority. Who is issuing that notice? Okay. Then
Date.
date on the left side. Okay.
Yes,
Then
ma'am. Then notice and then the subjects on which
yes.
the notice is main
Right.
topic.
Then
Then the column or body.
content. Okay. Content. And then at the end,
Name of the
name of the
used
person who is issuing the.
writing in the notice.
Okay. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Designation, name and designation. Clear? That is the notice format. The format will not change. Okay, the format will not change. It will remain the same. Tone and style very formal, just like the notice that you have written for the school or college institutions. Okay, the language will be simple and intelligible. See, decorative language is never used in notice because it is an information, right? It is a kind of information, so you don't have to decorate it. It is not an article or it is not a speech that you are writing. Okay, so notice is just the conveying of your information. So the language is very simple and intelligible, understood by the people very easily. Okay, include relevant materials, state issues, problems, rules clearly. Whatever you are giving, it should be mentioned clearly. Okay. Put a date of writing and notice at the top, that is there, and with signature and designation of the issuing authority. That is in the format. Okay. Now let us see the kind of public notice. Okay. And this is the question. You are Abhinav Abha. You have planned a 2-week course to be arranged to help the children of a grand housing society at Kanpur acquire the communication skill. Prepare a notice for the society's notice board stating the objectives of the course, giving necessary details of the course, and requesting the children of the society to join the course. So, this is a notice to be put on the notice board of a housing society. Okay. Yes. Who is going to read it? Who is going to read it?
Grand Housing Society,
Yes,
2
Deepti.
October 2020. Notice improve your communication skill. A 2-week course on communication skill is being organized to the children of our Grand Housing Society as per details given below. Date 15 October to 13 October 2020. Timing 4 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Yes.
Venue community
Community.
community hall, Jyoti Group Housing Society, Kanpur. Fee rupees 500. The student interested in improving the communication skill may contact the uh, undersigned for the further details. Avinav Abha, Secretary, 23B JGH Society, Kanpur.
Okay. Are you clear? Everybody? Can you get it? See, the first line tells you about what. Okay. The second, third date and timing tell you when. And venue is where. The other details, how that comes. Fee is there. Okay. So the other details that is needed is only fee here. Okay. So this is the format of the notice, and this is what you write in the notice. No extra information, no decorative language. Clear? Okay. So this is one kind of writing the notice. This is another example. Okay. Now second is academic notice. Okay. Academic notice, who's going to read it? Who's going to read this? Yes. Who's going to read this?
Yes, ma'am, me.
Okay, yes, Prakhar, read it.
St. Michael's Senior Secondary School, Delhi, December 10, 2020. Notice Inter-School Kabaddi Competition.
Yes.
An inter-school kabaddi competition is going to be held on 20th December at 3 p.m. in the school playground. The students who want to participate in the competition may enroll their names along with their details till 17th December to their sports secretary. All the students are requested to be present at the venue to cheer up the participants. For further details, contact the undersigned Arjun, sports captain.
Okay. Can you see the difference between the first one and the second one? Or the notices that we have seen earlier and this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is it?
Ma'am, in that form was given that date where date, venue, and all the things were written in different manner, and in this it is specified in sentenced form.
Very good. Very good. So you can see both are accepted. But which one pleases you? Which one attracts you?
The one in point.
That one is
Point
better.
wise.
Yes. Point wise, that is attractive, right? That is why I have taken this example. This is not wrong. This is also correct. Okay? You can't say that this is wrong. This is also correct. That is also correct. But that one I would prefer because it gives a clear whatever information you are giving. Right? It is very clearly stated. So prefer writing that way. Okay? This is also not wrong. I told you that last time also. Okay? Now this is the third one, club notice. Okay, you are secretary of Gymkhana Club of Coimbatore. Draft a notice to be sent to the members asking them to attend the extraordinary meeting of the governing body. Insert the necessary details. Sign as Prabhat or Parvi. Yes, who's going to read it? Volunteer?
If I
Okay. Yes, who's going to read?
Mira,
Aditya.
मैम नहीं दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे।
You can't see the screen. Yes.
Stop here. Video stop here.
Huh?
मैम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं दिख रहा है आपका।
You can't see the screen. I have not stopped.
नो मैम, द स्क्रीन इज शोइंग दैट the academic notice which we were
Was
discussing.
it what is it showing? This one.
आवाज भी आपका कट के आ रहा है।
Okay. Can you see this one? Now can you see? Can you see this one? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it visible? If it is visible, you read it. Prakhar?
Ma'am, it's St. Michael's Secondary School.
वही तो हम कब से बोल रहे हैं, पहले वाला दिखाई दे रहा है।
No. Okay. Let me see. Where is it? Hmm, Is it moving? Can you see now? Okay, I'll share again, okay? I think you have some net issues. That is why there is a problem. Okay. Why is it not coming? Yes. Can you see? Can you see now? Aditya,
मैम we can see you,
what can you see?
your face.
Yes, Aditya. Gymkhana Club Coimbatore. Can you
आवाज
see
आपका
this?
कट रहा है। हेलो प्रखर।
Aditya, can you see this? Dipti,
Buffet.
Pushparaj, is it visible? Tell me whether it is visible or not.
हेलो
Yes, is it visible? Aditya?
मैम, आपका नेटवर्क कनेक्शन स्लो लग रहा है, वीडियो भी पॉज हो जा रहा है, आवाज भी नहीं आ रहा अच्छे से, कट
मेरा
जा
तो
रहा है
ठीक
आवाज।
है. My network is okay because I can see all of
ये
you.
भी आपका
Right?
आवाज
There must be some issues.
मैम everyone is right,
हाँ.
everyone is writing in chats.
Okay. I'll see to it.
Still it's buffering.
No, it is connected.
हाँ अभी भी दिख रहा है मैम
Yes,
स्क्रीन।
You can see?
नाउ इट्स क्लियर। यस मैम।
Okay. Can you see this? Okay. Now you read it.
Third club notice, question number 10.
Okay.
You are the secretary of Gymkhana Club of Coimbatore. Draft a notice to be sent to the members asking them to attend the extraordinary meeting of the governing body. Insert the necessary details. Sign as Prabhat Parvi. Word limit 50.
Okay.
Gymkhana Club Coimbatore. 10th of March 2020. Notice. Members are requested to make it convenient to attend an extraordinary meeting of the governing body to discuss amendments in guest charges and monthly subscriptions.
Yes.
Date 20th March 2020. Time 7 pm. Place Gymkhana Club Complex, Coimbatore. Governing body members are requested to stay for dinner.
Prabhat Parvi, Secretary. Okay. Everything is right here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem in the notice?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Something missing? Something missing? Yes or no?
मैम इसमें वो लास्ट में डेजिग्नेशन नहीं दिख रहा.
What happened? What is missing? Aditya, can you find out what is missing?
मैम डेजिग्नेशन नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन ना.
No, name and designation is there. Prakhar,
हाँ, now it's there.
Prakhar,
Yes,
anything
ma'am.
missing? One thing is missing. Prakhar.
मैम
Ma'am.
सब्जेक्ट.
Yes, very good. Right? The heading is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
The heading is missing. So whenever you read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
notice, whenever you write the motion, that is why I deleted it. You must find out what is missing. Okay, this is intentionally done. Okay, you read the notice,
ma'am.
you did not find anything missing. So that is not correct. Okay, ठीक है? Any problem here? So you have to write the heading below the notice. Right? What should be the heading?
Extraordinary meeting of governing body.
Meeting of governing
Governing.
body. Right?
Body.
Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? I deleted it so that you will be able to find it. But you were not able to find it. Now at last you found it. Okay? Clear? So these are the second form of notice, the public notice, right? These three you have to keep in mind. Others are not important for you. Tender notice and all those things are not important. These are the three notices that you have to keep in mind. So there is an exercise which follows, and the first one also I did not get, so I am expecting I got it from few students only. So complete your homework and then submit it. Okay? Clear? If you have any queries, you can ask now. Anyone, if you have any query. Should I stop sharing? Yes. Any problem? Any problem? Okay, if you have any problem, you can ask on WhatsApp, and if you don't have any problem, kindly complete the homework and send it to me. Okay? Should we stop? Should we end the meeting? Okay. Okay, Prakhar. See, what you have to keep in mind is not that you are studying maths and science and everything, it is okay. I don't object it. But pay attention to English also. Because there are only 9 participants, including me. It pains me. Right? It pains me that you are not attending the classes. The other students, there are only limited students who are attending. So I can't help it. I'm trying to give you as much as I can. But if you're not ready to take it, it's none of my problem. You are going to face it. Right? You will face the problem. I've already told you I'm not going to give you marks. 20 मार्क्स में से हम देंगे ही नहीं कि इतने हैं यहाँ पे, उन्हीं को देंगे, बाकी को देंगे ही नहीं। चाहे आप कितना भी अच्छा कर लीजिए राइटिंग में, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू मार्क्स, इंटरनल मार्क्स आपको नहीं मिलेंगे 20 में। इफ यू हैव योर फ्रेंड्स, स्प्रेड दिस मैसेज, क्योंकि यू नो आई एम वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट इन दिस, आई एम वेरी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट इन गिविंग द मार्क्स, और इसमें ही नहीं, बोर्ड में भी ध्यान देना। ओके, सो इन्फॉर्म योर फ्रेंड्स कि फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ से ऊपर उठ के आए और मेरा इंग्लिश की क्लासेस को अटेंड करें। ओके, ओके, आई एम एंडिंग द मीटिंग। इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क।